It's briefly stopped raining. I might have something special planned for it. So what I'm going to do, broken, take that off. So at some point, obviously, this car's been in a bit of a ding, and I don't know if you can see, that mounting is completely gone. There's a light gap there, that shouldn't be there. The battery terminal cover all the way down here, I don't know what that's doing. No damage to the actual bumper though. Just the wing. For reference, these broken brackets should look like this. Instead, I have this. Now I'm going to leave the car without a headlight, so I'm just going to tuck these out the way so the rain doesn't get to them, hopefully. Right, so this centre mount here is completely obliterated. In fact, it actually looks like part of it has been cut off, not just broken. This one I might be able to rebuild to an extent, and that one down there, which has most of it remaining, which kind of sits on there like that, might be the only two that I can actually rescue. To try and rebuild it, I got some 2-part epoxy resin. Got it nicely wrapped up so that hopefully the resin stays in there while it sets. It sets in 4 to 6 minutes and is rock hard within 30 minutes. So we'll check back in a minute or 30. I pieced a few more parts of the puzzle together and just mixed up a bit more resin to glue these two pieces back together. About 20 minutes has passed. This little piece has healed up quite well. You can see the resin is just about seeping through the joint there, but solid. This one, I don't think I mixed it as well as I should have done, as it's still very tacky. This duct tape, which should have been able to peel away quite easily, is actually pulling on the resin a bit too much. So I might have to make another little batch, mix it up a bit better, try it again before peeling that off. Now I've just got to wait for those bits of epoxy to dry, and then it should be ready to go back onto the car again. Although it started raining again, so I don't think I'll be fitting it back today, unless the clouds clear sometime this afternoon. We'll see how it goes. So that's it, all but fixed, back in. Those aren't really cracks, they're actually filled with resin. That bracket there doing what it's supposed to. That one there still missing in action. And this hole down here is now closed up.